Hello guys, you are welcome once again to Explore GH IT Services. In this tutorial, I am going to introduce to you how to do language translation. So sometimes some people ask that, do I understand Chinese language? If not so, how do I do Chinese importation? Yes, I'm able to do that because there is an app that we use to do language translation. So kindly follow me to the end. If you do that, I'll be teaching you how to do language translation so that you'll be able to do your importation, that's China importation, with ease. So in this lesson, we'll be using an app called Hi Dictionary. Now, Hi Dictionary is not available on iOS, so iPhone users cannot use this one. So iPhone users, there is another app that you can use for your translation. So now kindly follow me if you are an Android user so that I teach you how to do language translation. So kindly go to the Play Store and then search for Hi Dictionary. After this, I also leave a link in the description column so that you can straight away click on it and then install the Hi Dictionary. So you click on install. So kindly wait for the app to install. So right after installation, this is what you are going to see. Now you can skip it. It just gives you instruction on how to install and how to navigate through the app. So click on the skip. Okay, so this is the interface of the Hi Dictionary. Yeah, this is how the Hi Dictionary looks like. Okay, so when you are done, just click here. Okay, you click here. Okay, so that is it. So before we use the app, we need to do some settings. So let's quickly go to settings. Go to your phone settings. So this is my phone settings. Okay, so it depends on the kind of phone you are using. Some of the phones you go to advanced settings, some you go to additional settings, and then others too you will still get the settings straight away. Okay, so it all depends on the kind of phone you are using. So in my phone, I'll come here. Okay, so I'll go to additional settings. Then I'll come to accessibility. Go to downloaded apps. Then look for Hi Dictionary. There are many apps here. So look for Hi Dictionary. You can see that the Hi Dictionary is off. So click on it. And then turn it on. So you see I've turned it on. Then you check the radio button. Okay, click on the radio button to check it. Then you click on OK. Good. So let's go back. Click on the back arrow. Let's go back to the app. So we come to the Hi Dictionary. Okay, so when you come here, you come to the lookup. You click on the lookup. Okay, click on the lookup. Now you see that we have Hindi and then English here. So whichever language do you want to translate? Do you want to translate from Chinese to English? Do you want to translate from French to English? So this one does the translation in so many languages. So in this case, we want to translate from Chinese to English. So I'll click on the Hindi. Then I'll scroll and then select Chinese. I'll select Chinese. Since we want to translate from Chinese to English, I will not touch this part. Then we come to this place. You see that it is off. We need to turn it on. So when you click on it, okay, now it is asking us to set some permissions before. So let's do that. Let's click on it. Okay, so let's just click anywhere. Okay, so here just scroll till you see the Hi Dictionary. You click on it and then you allow to display over other apps. Good. So let's go back there. So now we can now turn it on. It's now on. Okay, now when you look at the left hand side, you will see some arrow here. Let me click on it. Okay, so you see when you click on it, this one will pop up. You see, this is what we use to do the translation. Okay, so when you go to the app or whatever you want to do the translation, you see this arrow there. Okay, so now let's see how we can use the Hi Dictionary to do the translation. So I have come to my Pinduoduo app. You can do it anywhere, be it 1688, Pinduoduo, or whichever platform you can do it. So when you come here, like I showed you, you see the small arrow here. Okay, so when you click on it, when you click on it, we have global translation. Okay, we have global translation. When you click on global translation, it will translate the entire page. So let me click on global translation and then let's see. Let's watch how you see it has translated the page for us. It has translated everything on the page. So that is how the global translation is done. Now let's see how we can use it to do the translation. So you just pick it. Okay, when you click on it, then the Hi will come like this. Then you pick it. Okay, you pick the length like this and then you place it. So you see, just place it on the Chinese text. So when you place on this cell phone, when you place it on it, it will translate. Look at this, Vanilla electric kettle. So that is how it is. So whatever you don't understand, just place it on it. It will translate for you to do the translation. Okay, so that is it. So let me see. Let me click on an item here. Then, so you see, it has done the translation. It has done it into English for me. Good. So that's how we do it. That is it. So wherever you place it, it's going to do the translation for you. So whichever language you don't understand, you can use Hi Dictionary to help you do the translation. Okay, good. So let me see. I don't understand this text. What are they saying? They're saying that this is Vanda electric water kettle. You see? Yes. So I can now read Chinese text because of the Hi Dictionary. Those of you who want to install, I will leave the link in the description column. I'll leave the link there so that you can click on it and install straight away without going to Play Store. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Please don't forget to leave us a comment in the comment section so that it will motivate us to always give you good videos. Right, once again, my name is Frank Ampreku. Goodbye.